Guys, welcome to another unboxing. I'm trying to be bougie today, and we're going to do Buttah Skin Transforming Kit, and they sent me their rose water also. So we're going to use all of them right now before I get in the shower and see what it is like, how it make my skin feel. I'm new to skincare, so I'm willing to learn, and I'm trying to find a good product to use. So this is Buttah Buttah. All right, so in this kit you have full-size cleanser, vitamin C serum, and moisturizer. All right, so we're going to use that today. So I think we use a cleanser, then we use the rose water, and then we're going with the moisturizer and the vitamin C serum. Correct me if I'm wrong, that's what I'm doing. So let's unbox this right here. These are full size. So this is the cleanser. This is the moisturizing cream, Cocoshea Revitalizing Cream. It's in this. And this is our Vitamin C Serum. All right, that's what I love their packaging. It's so cute. And then this is their rose water. So like I said, we're going to try all of them today. Wow. All right, so rose water, vitamin C, moisturizer, and cleanser. We're going to try these today. Okay, so this is the Buttah cleanser. Let's try this right now. I'm just gonna, I need to spray that. You can see it. So, she moisturized my face, right? I'm getting my eye. I don't know, it does specifically that you guys will change. Turn it off. Getting it all over the shape of my head. I'm not showing you guys, so we're gonna wash this off right now. Okay, this is me with my face washed off. They say it is for black skin. So you can use an all this is me with my face washed off. This brand cleanser, everything that this brand makes is for all melanin for all black skin. Okay, all right, for all black skin. So you guys can check it out. It's for, well, they say it's excellent for daily use on all skin type, but it's specifically made for us black girls. Yes. So all right, so this is me after using this cleanser. I'm drying off my face. I don't know. I don't have a skincare routine, so this is like my first one. So don't mind me. So the rose water comes with these little pads right here and the rose water. So this is what comes in the rose water box. Oh, this is cute. You take it off, then I guess you add it to, I've never used rose water. I don't even, what? Okay, let's just trust this process. So let's say pat it in. That smells lavender. That's nice. I love it. Let's say pat it in. So I'm patting it in. Oh baby, this is like my first. I don't have a skincare routine. That's bad. I need to develop one. All right, so this might be my skincare brand. Okay, I think I got it all in right now. All right, let me get this dried, then we move on to the next step. Oh, whew. You hear how quiet my fan is? I'm sure you would love one, right? Just comment below and I'll tell you what it is. Alright, so I'm drying my face right now, because they say to dry. I guess you leave the rose water on, and then we're going to use the other products. Alright? Okay. Alright, so we use the rose water. I didn't say to wash it off. Am I supposed to wash it off? I'm reading. Yeah, I'm supposed to put it on my neck also. So I guess I'm forgetting my neck. Yes, you girls be like, oh, she's forgetting her neck. She forgot her neck. Okay. So, rose water is on. Let me set this. And then we are going to use, do I use the vitamin serum or this first? Let's do this first. It has like, yeah, the Sheen Cocoshea. Okay. Let's get this on. See, for black people, for black girls like me, these two. I'm moisturizing my lip also because it's always dry. Don't get on your eye. Okay, my face is feeling soft. Nice. All right. So this is my face with it on. I'm feeling like a young girl. How am I looking? How am I looking? Am I glowing? I don't know. When you guys say people is glowing, why? I don't know. Am I glowing? Look at my face. Am I glowing? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. All right, now guys, we're doing the vitamin C serum. So it's your daily dose of brightening and antioxidants. So this is what we're doing right now. I always see the girls I'm doing it. I'm like, I want to do that one day. So I'm gonna just put it on here. Whew, it's running. I guess I need to rub it all over. And put it on here. That's running again. How did they make it this on your face? Mine is running all over the place. Alright, don't forget your neck. Your neck is a part of your skincare routine. But I need to go bathe. I don't wanna. Okay. So yeah. My neck is already in the routine. I don't care. Alright. So I think a little bit on the forehead. And we should be good after that. We should be good. So guys, what do you think? Am I glowing? I think my skin look moisturized, like I'm this cute little. I went and got a spa date. Look at it. Alright, this is how my face look after using all the products of Buttah collection, all of them. So guys, get them in the yellow card below. Click the link and get you a Butter collection and try it. Okay guys, so I just got out the shower and I'm going to just put back a little products on my skin. But as you can see, look at my skin, look at my face, look at my face. It's glowing. I think it's glowing. It look moisturized and stuff. So I'm just going to add back the product to my neck, because you know you gotta wash your neck when you're bathing. How do you do it? And going back with some vitamin C. God, Butter is gonna get my money. They're gonna get my money. Ugh. Let's see how it goes for the next couple of days as I continue with this. But look at my face. Let me get some more light so you can all see. Look there. And this is just using the 4 products that I got from Butter. So check out the set in the card below, and I'll add the rose water to the card also. If not, the rose water will be added to another video. All right, thank you. Click the card below. So guys, click the card below and get these products. All right.